Participating in an event to celebrate the signing of Bodo peace deal and accord between the government and the banned militant group National Democratic Front of Bodoland last month, Prime Minister Modi's first visit to the state since the government's big move on Citizenship Amendment Act that triggered protests across the country. Addressing his rally in Assam after Parliament passed the Citizenship Amendment Act last December, Prime Minister Modi on Friday said signing of the Bodo Accord was a historic agreement that will bring peace to Bodoland Territorial Area District region. Prime Minister Modi said insurgency in the region had been raging on for decades and had claimed thousands of lives. But past government were reluctant in addressing the problems. He said the northeastern states were the worst sufferer of this reluctance. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was addressing a rally in Kokrajhar in Assam to celebrate the signing of the Bodo Agreement. Speaking about the Bodo Accord, Prime Minister Modi said Bodo era of peace and progress. The Bodo Accord was signed on January 27 by the Narendra Modi government with 4 fractions of National Democratic Front of Bodoland, All Bodo Students Union and a civil society group for bringing a lasting peace in Bodo-dominated areas in Assam. Prime Minister Modi said agreements as signed in 1993 and 2003 could not bring permanent peace in Bodoland Territorial Area District. There is no demand left with the signing of this Bodo Accord. That's a wrap of this edition of the Mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Janali Timungpi is bringing you the prime time in Karbi here on Card News Channel. News stay with us.